Ever wondered why your Metamask Ethereum address looks exactly the same as your Binance Smart Chain address? Today, we're diving into the fascinating reason behind this address. Doppelganger Metamask is your key to both the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain universes. The secret lies in something called the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Binance Smart Chain was designed to be compatible with the EVM, which means it speaks the same language as Ethereum. Think of your Metamask wallet as a secure vault holding a set of cryptographic keys. These keys are used to derive your public address, which is the one you share because BSC is compatible. The same private key generates the same public address on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. In simple terms, it's like using the same master key to open two different, but similarly built doors. The cryptographic function takes your private key and spits out the same public address for both networks. However, a word of caution: while the address is the same, Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are separate blockchains. Make sure you're connected to the right network in MetaMask before sending any assets. So, there you have it. The mystery of the identical addresses is solved. They share the same key because of EVM compatibility. Now you can confidently navigate both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain with your trusty MetaMask wallet.